Nityanandam. My name is Nandita and I'm a Balasant of Nityananda Gurukul. So today, I'm here to share with you all what it feels like to read the Akashic readings. So what it feels to be like in that oneness with Swamiji, where the whole thing is just, the whole cosmic archives just appears in front of us. So see, the whole thing is very simple. All what I do is just connect to Swamiji and just get into that oneness. And when anyone come and ask any question, the whole answer will just start appearing in golden letters. And it will be like whatever appears, I'll just read out. That whole thing I'll not remember. But the only thing that which I get to enjoy is the whole space. It'll be so sweet just to have so many people come, and the more and more I read for people, I get more and more excited because there'll be some joy that will be happening in me which I'll be enjoying. Especially this whole thing was so sweet when I was reading the past lives of all the Balasants. So when each and every Balasants were coming and asking their past life, the more and more I read for each and every kid, I didn't know what was happening, but what I was reading, I was not able to remember. But the whole space, when each and every kid, their past was getting revealed, there was so much of joy that was happening in me. I was like constantly throughout the whole time where I was reading. First thing, my body was getting heated, so I had to drink like liters of water. But the other side, I was not able to control my joy that was happening. So many kids, and each one living with Meenakshi and Swamiji with so many lives, and when all their past is being revealed. So that was the best part. The only thing which happens to me when I read is just the joy of seeing the whole Akashic readings. That whole space is completely different, where you just get into oneness with Swamiji. Just decide, okay, Swamiji, whatever questions they are asking, just show the answers. And when I just look at the deity of Swamiji, just before the puja, the deity will be normal. But after the puja, when I just apply that Jnana Anjan, and when I turn and look at Swamiji, suddenly there'll be like lots of golden words that will be appearing, which I have to read out for people. It will appear, and more the words appear, the joy in me, and there'll be a different kind of space altogether. I'll just enjoy the whole space and I'll read the whole Akashic readings. And the more and more this happens, the more and more that space gets stronger. And just to experience that joy, it'll be like I'll be waiting throughout just for that whole time to happen, where I can just enjoy the whole space of reading the Akashic records.